respected member of the dais, and all my fellow friends. On this auspicious 76th Republic Day, let us all pledge to preserve and conserve our heritage sites. My topic is preserving our cultural heritage sites in the face of modernization. India's rich history is filled with architectural wonders, with echoes of ancient civilization. But behind this beauty lies a silent struggle of our heritage sites. Once adorned with beauty, now stand in desperate need of a helping hand clinging to the brink of oblivion. Some of these heritage sites have vanished, while some of them languish in neglect and a forlorn state. Some of these heritage sites have lost their shine. Some have blackened, while some have ruined because of the acid rain, and let's not even start about the garbage that we have been leaving behind around them. For instance, the Taj Mahal is no longer white and bright as it used to be because of the carbon and dust deposition over it. While the Lotus Temple is withering, the Golden Temple is losing its gleam, whereas the Charminar's charm is fading. Preserving our cultural heritage sites amidst modernization ensures that progress does not come at the cost of losing the rich tapestry of human history and evidence. Preserving our cultural heritage sites amidst rapid changes also ensures the continuity of our identity, values, and traditions. The Government of India has taken a number of initiatives through various schemes and mottos to preserve our cultural heritage sites. Various schemes like the PM Vishwakarma Yojana and the Swadesh Yojana, whereas the motto like Atiti Devo Bhava encourages the citizen to preserve and conserve their heritage sites. Our heritage sites defines who we are as individuals and communities. These heritage sites, artifacts, traditions also encourages us to preserve our heritage sites. Preserving our cultural heritage sites amidst modernization also ensures and also fosters the economic growth and tourism without erasing the historical landmarks. Neglect, encroachment, and conflicting narratives are the three things that affect our heritage sites. As modernity advances, the battle for conserving our heritage sites intensifies, leaving a crucial question unanswered. Who will preserve our cultural legacies? Thank you.